All right, guys, welcome to Lolly Jen and my page. Guys, I'm doing my evening workout, but I want to use this opportunity to teach you guys two ingredients, two ingredients that will make your isiewu anytime you want to do your isiewu, yeah, nkwobi. It will make it to be sweet and yummy. Two ingredients. Before I go there, please, I just opened my YouTube channel. And the name is Lola Jeremiah TV. Please, I will put my link below. Just click on that and subscribe for me. I need subscribers. Please, do your Lord a favor. I need subscribers. Just click the link and subscribe. Okay, it's free. You cannot pay anything. It's free to subscribe. All right, two ingredients that make isiewu to be sweet is brain, isiewu brain, ewu brain, oboro, uburu ewu. Okay, uburu ewu. Then the other one is ogiri. That two ingredients is so sweet in this year. If you put it there or if you miss it, yeah, isiewu is not gonna be sweet. But if you put that two ingredients, any other ingredients is there, but the one that you will not miss, that two ingredients, a brain and the ogiri, it makes isiewu to sweet. Okay, guys. Okay, let me walk you guys through how I do my isiewu. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. We move. Thank you, guys. Bye. One love. Guys, I'm already done separating, removing meat from the bone. The isiewu bone. This is the bone. This is the meat. So now I'm ready to do ncha sauce that I will use to mix it. Wait till then, okay? So what I'm going to use for sauce is anyway, if I'm putting it that, I will be explaining it one by one, okay? Also, guys, I'm about to do ncha, what they call sauce for the isiewu. So make sure you bring out your mortar, then put some pepper, crayfish, and the ehuru. There's one thing they call ehuru, is small seed there. It's two there. So start pounding it until it's done. Guys, I'm done pounding the pepper, ehuru, and the crayfish. Now put this lead oil. This is lead oil. Put lead oil inside there and start turning it. Okay. So after you finish turning lead oil, there's one thing they call ungo. Put ungo. Some people are using account, but I'm allergic to account. I don't use account in my food. So I'm using this, what they call ungo. I don't know what that is. I calling it, I don't know. So this is ungo. Put it there and start turning it again. Start turning it. Guys, make sure you put, this is the brain, isiewu, isiewu, brain. So make sure you put it inside and turn it, then you put ogiri. That was it. You will start mixing isiewu on it. See me putting ogiri. This is ogiri. Ogiri. Put it and turn it. Now ncha is ready, so let's do nkwobi now. Ready? Let's go. Okay, guys, let's do the nkwobi now. Okay, so put a little bit salt, because I did not put salt in the ncha. Then put the ncha inside there. You see, and start turning it. That is nkwobi. Okay, guys, now Next is putting ukpaka. Ukpaka. I normally use ukpaka to do my nkwobi. You know, so turn it and turn it very well. The isiewu is ready and ready to eat. So we want to eat. That is my isiewu. Okay. So after that, if you like onions, you can put your own onions. If you like otaze, you can just spray otaze on top of it. Okay. Say it, otaze. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.